Hi, I'm calling to speak to Nathan in reference to your product, the Leatherface. I had the pleasure of meeting you and a couple of the other guys down at the Butch Creek motorcycle event, and that's where I purchased one of your face masks. Well, last week I had an opportunity to use it for the first time, and I'm just calling to say thanks for a great product. It worked exactly how you said it would. The material held up real nice. It was comfortable. Once I put it in place, put the wire across the nose of it, fit perfect under my glasses as well as under the helmet. It's a satisfied customer calling saying, thanks, man. Appreciate your time and your product. You guys take care. Bye.